Hello, and good afternoon, my royal family. All right, I'm back at it again. But this time, I wanted to do something savory. I went to the Dallas Farmers Market, and I bought some products there. So I'm about to show you guys this Hatch Chili Pimento cheese. And I got it from this place called Cheese Please. Oh my God, their pimento cheese is awesome. This right here is the Hatch chili, and they also have a dill pickle. I know to some of you guys it might be like, but it was extremely well. So I'm going to do the ultimate Hatch chili grilled cheese sandwich. Also at the farmer's market, when I had did the avocado guacamole dip, I had put on top some beef bacon, and everybody was wondering, wow, where do you get beef bacon? I also got that at the farmer's market. So I'm going to slide some beef bacon on here. Let me show you guys. Now you can get to really see the beef bacon. Okay, this is beef bacon. It is so darn good. So I'm going to add that to the Hatch chili pimento cheese. Also, I'm in love with their pickles, bread and butter pickles. I got those at the farmer's market. But these bread and butter pickles are pickled with jalapenos. So we're really kicking up the heat tonight. So I'm going to add a couple of those on there. I want you guys just to really check out this sandwich when I finish. Okay. Now remember, these pickles are sweet, but they also have heat. Okay, you see that? Let's just put that right there. Then I'm going to cover it up. Going to press this baby down. And we're going to put it in our skillet that is buttered. You see that? So I'm going to press it down, and I'll come back and show you guys this sandwich as it cooks along. This is going to be the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. Hang tight. I'm just showing you guys. You really want to apply pressure to this. Just washed off my spatula. Okay. You want to apply pressure. I started to set another skillet on it, and I was like, nah, I'll just stand here and just do it with this spatula. Alright, but you see that cheese already oozing out? That Hatch chili cheese. I know, why do I make all these noises? I get excited about food, you guys. I'm sorry. I love food. I love different types of food. Alright, I'll come back. I want you guys to see this. Look. It is melting so perfectly. Tell me I'm not going to have a good sandwich tonight, huh? There it goes. Some of it just oozed out. I'll be back. Alright, you guys. This is a quick video. Again, here is the Hatch chili pimento cheese grill sandwich with beef, bacon, and bread and butter jalapeno pickles. Okay, can't talk long. I'm really hungry. But again, you guys, thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. And until the next time, God bless you. And thank you to the ladies at Cheese Please for this wonderful product. Again, this is the Hatch chili pimento cheese. And I grilled it to perfection. Yum.